Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're exploring the vital role pressure sensors play in predictive maintenance. We'll be discussing how these devices monitor pressure in various systems and equipment, flagging potential issues before they escalate. You'll understand the significance of pressure sensors in different scenarios, from monitoring fluid pressure in hydraulic hoses to energy conservation efforts. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of pressure sensors and their role in predictive maintenance. These handy devices alert maintenance teams when the pressure in a tank or piece of equipment strays from the specified level. This doesn't necessarily mean there's an immediate failure, but it could mean a drop in efficiency, increased strain on equipment, or even a potential safety issue. First up, let's talk about pipelines or hydraulic hoses. Pressure sensors can keep an eye on the fluid moving through these hoses. If the pressure drops too low, it might be a sign that a machine needs repair. On the flip side, if the pressure gets too high, it could cause the hose to break or even explode. Next, let's consider the use of electronic transmitter set norms. If you're running a production line with many steps, you might be relying on transmitters to keep track of pressures throughout the system. Miniature devices can report even the smallest variance, alerting you to potential issues. But pressure sensors aren't just for high-pressure situations. They're also useful for monitoring low vacuum pressure. At one end of the spectrum, low vacuum or negative pressure gauges can measure down to under 150 psi in industrial applications. These transducers work with gas and dry air and are perfect for high-accuracy, repeatable applications. On the other end of the spectrum, we have high vacuum pressure. Industrial applications that require pressure readings of 10,000 psi or greater can benefit from high vacuum pressure gauges. Pressure sensors also play a crucial role in energy conservation. These devices can help organizations reduce energy usage and shrink their environmental footprint. They're used in weather stations, emissions testing devices, wind systems, research balloons, and pollution devices. In the technology industry, pressure sensors have a myriad of applications. They're used to monitor airflow and printer ink levels and are also found in altimeters and barometers. Semiconductor process equipment, IT cooling systems, clean rooms, and laser systems all benefit from pressure sensors. Finally, let's look at manufacturing applications. Quality control often requires pressure sensors to monitor tightly controlled processes. Problems with pressure or vacuum systems could signal preventive maintenance requirements before costs rise and downtime occurs. Pressure sensors can detect leaks, compressed air issues, and industrial flow problems. They can also check filter pressures, pneumatic controls, variable air volume systems, and industrial degassers. So, as you can see, pressure sensors play a vital role in predictive maintenance across a range of industries and applications. They're the unsung heroes, keeping everything running smoothly and efficiently. And that wraps up our discussion on the crucial role of pressure sensors in predictive maintenance. We've covered how these devices monitor and alert teams to pressure changes, their application in various industries, and their contribution to energy conservation. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more information about our maintenance and reliability solutions, visit upkeep.com.